Hello everyone, I am Sasmita from final year EEE department. Today I am gonna share a case study on autonomous vehicle. First thing, what is autonomous vehicle? An autonomous vehicle, also known as self-driving car or driverless car, is a vehicle that is capable of sensing its environment and operating without human intervention. These vehicles use a combination of advanced sensor, cameras, and artificial intelligence algorithm to analyze data and make decisions about the steering, acceleration, and braking. Introduction: 10 million autonomous vehicle will hit the road by 2020. In 10 years, fully autonomous vehicles will be the norm. Autonomous vehicle will generate a $7 trillion annual revenue stream by 2050. Widespread adoption of autonomous vehicle could lead to a 90% reduction in autonomous creatures. Then, the history of autonomous vehicle. In the 1920s, the first attempts at autonomous vehicle were made using radio control, but the technology was not yet advanced enough to make it practical. In the 1950s, General Motors developed the first autonomous vehicle prototype called the Firebird 2. In 1980s, Carnegie Mellon University developed the Nave Lab, a fully autonomous vehicle that used computer vision and sensors navigate roads. In 2000s, the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency DARPA organized is a series of challenging to encourage the development of autonomous vehicle technology. And then in 2010, Google began developing its own autonomous vehicle technology, which has since evolved into its own company called Waymo. In 2016, Uber began testing autonomous vehicles in Pittsburgh, but the program was temporarily suspended after a fatal accident in Arizona in 2008. Today, many major automakers and technology companies are investing in the development of autonomous vehicle technology with the goal of making it safe and practical for widespread use. Then SAE levels of automation. At level 0, no automation. 0 autonomy, the driver perform all the driving tasks. At stage 2, driver assistant, vehicle is controlled by the driver, but some driving assistant features may be included in the vehicle design. At stage 2, partial automation, vehicle has combined automated functions like acceleration and steering, but the driving must remain engaged with the driving task and monitor the environment at all these time. At stage 3, conditional automation, driver is a necessity, but it is not required to monitor the environment. The driver must be ready to take control of the vehicle at all the time with notice. At stage 4, high automation, the vehicle is capable of performing all driving functions under certain conditions. The driver may have to open and control the vehicle. At stage 5, fully automation, the vehicle is fully automated. The vehicle is capable of performing all driving functions under all conditions. The driver may have the options control the vehicle. And the next thing is physical ecosystem of an autonomous vehicle. There are so many parts are inside the autonomous vehicle, such as global positioning system GPS, light detection and ranging LIDAR, cameras, ultrasonic sensor, central computers, radar sensors, dedicated short range communication based receiver, and so on. Then key physical components of autonomous vehicle. Cameras. Cameras provide a real time vision detection to facilitate lane departure and track roadway information. Radar. Radio waves detect short and long range depth. GPS. GPS detect the position of a car using satellite. Current GPS technology is limited to a certain distance. Advanced GPS is developed. Ultrasonic sensor uses high frequency and sound waves and bounce back to calculate the distance. Best in close range. Certain computers, brain of the vehicle, act as a central computer. Receivers inform from various computers and help direct vehicle over. And so many companies are promoting the autonomous vehicles like Apple, Audi, Microsoft, Nissan, Ford, Benz, Intel, Microsoft, and etc. So that's all.